Hi there, this is Manohar from eTech Guru. In this video, I am going to unbox the Netgear N150 wireless router, model number JNR1010. N150 Wi-Fi speed, perfect for surfing the internet, email and online chat. External 5 dB antenna for improved Wi-Fi coverage. Wi-Fi range for medium-sized homes. Netgear Genie app, home networking simplified. It can speeds up to N150, means 150 Mbps. We can also get Netgear Genie app. It is available on Google Play Store, Mac and PC. Fit on aside, we have some stuff here. Inside the box we are getting N150 wireless router, installation guide, Ethernet cable, power adapter. Physical specifications: it weighs about 217 grams and the warranty is limited 2-year warranty plus 90 days basic customer support. If we turn back side, here we have features. It can speeds up to 150 Mbps and the range is for medium sized homes, and sharing facilities available here. Coming to ease of use, here we have easy installation, Netgear Genie app. With the Genie app we can control our Wi-Fi through mobile, and the push and connect option is there, and the security features like parental control, guest network access, secure Wi-Fi connections are available. In the N150 router we are getting the Genie app, secure connection, easy installation, and the email, charts of music, video, etc. Let's unbox it. Here we have the quick installation guide to set up the router configuration. Let me keep this aside. Here we have the Ethernet cable. This is the power adapter, and the main we have the router. As you can see, good built-in quality, and this is the plastic. Let me peel it. As you can see, these are the LED indication lights. This is the antenna. This is the power adapter, and this is the WLAN port, and these are the 4 LAN ports, and this is the push and connect button as we have discussed. If you have forgot your Wi-Fi password, you push this port inside for 30 seconds, the Wi-Fi password will reset. I hope the video was helpful. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos in the future.